Subtraction of positive integers using number line. Example. Evaluate the following using number line. A. 7 minus 3. B. 2 minus 5. To perform this, it takes a different step compared to when you are adding positive integers. So you have to follow this step as it is said. So for a solution to this problem, first thing to do is to indicate what type of integers you are working with. Since we have 7, which is a positive integer, and we are subtracting 3, which is another positive integer, we will then write it as plus 7 minus plus 3. Now that we have written it in integer form, we then go on to draw our number line. And on the number line, we're going to place our integers at regular intervals. 0, then we move to the right for the positive integers to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then to the left of the neutral integer, we have our negative integers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now that we have our number line, let us perform this arithmetic. We have plus 7. Because it is a positive integer, we are going to move to the right of 0. This is 0. Moving 7 steps to the right, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from 0 to plus 7. 0 to plus 7. We have gotten to this point. The next thing we have to do is to subtract. And whenever you are subtracting using number line, you go to the opposite direction, that is the left. Addition takes you to the right, subtraction takes you to the left. And we have to go in how many directions? 3 directions. So from where we have stopped here, we are going to move 3 steps to the left. So we go 1, 2, 3. 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. In this direction, that is plus 3. To the left because we are subtracting. And then wherever you stop shows the answer for that expression. Definitely that means plus 7 minus plus 3 will give you plus 4. Good. Now let us try the second one where we have 2 minus 5. 2 is a positive integer, that is plus 2 minus 5, which is another positive integer, that is plus 5 minus plus 5. Now that we've written it in integer form, let us draw our number line. On the number line, you indicate 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. And then to the left hand side we have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Now, to perform the first one, where we have plus 2, we move to the right. The right of 0 in 2 steps will be 1, 2. This indicates plus 2. Now, we subtract plus 5. Whenever you perform the subtraction, you move to the left. And we are moving in 5 steps to the left. So from where we have stopped, we move 5 steps to the left. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this direction to show our plus 5. This means that plus 2 minus plus 5 would give us, where have we ended up? We ended up at minus 3. So plus 2 minus plus 5 gives you minus 3. Thank you.